Leanne Shelton is recognised worldwide for bringing together what humans do best, creativity and critical thinking with a smart use of AI. With her clear, non-techie style, she helps busy business leaders, marketers and entrepreneurs use AI with confidence and still sound unmistakably human.
It's actually about keeping humans at the core of the organisation. So thinking about you as a human, where you fit in, where you have AI, where you don't have AI. It's also about thinking about your team, ensuring that they know their place in the organisation and know that AI is enhancing their own experience expertise. And it's also thinking about the humans as in your customers and what they actually want. So not getting caught up in, oh, look at these shiny AI things that could help with my productivity, but it's not actually going to serve your customers because they don't want to be talking to chatbots and phone agents. They want to be talking to humans and see the humans behind the business.
With almost 2 decades experience in copywriting and marketing, Leanne knows exactly how to bridge the gap between fast-moving technology and authentic communication that connects.
And so what we're going to do is get everyone on the same page, kind of just bring them back and to start by asking the question how are you using AI, or why aren't you using it? What are you afraid of? What opportunities are there? And just really understand where everyone's at, an even playing field, and then build upon that.